Hi, welcome back to Toys So Fun to Play. Today we have
Jaden.
and he's gonna be opening the Transformers robots, no, BotBots 2. So this is series 2. He has two big packs, which include,
And then
let me see, 2, 4, 6, 7,
Mommy,
in total 8.
What the fuck?
So 7 that are shown, and 1 it's in here, same here. So the ones, like, if you put this together, they are all different.
Oh.
So let's see which one you got inside. And this is the back.
Yes.
So this is the series Spoil Runs. So what's this one? Okay, so which one you want to open first?
I want to open this one. Okay, let's open it.
It's in the bottom.
Okay. Oh. Perfect.
So this is the checklist, and it tells you how to transform them into different positions. And now here you have the checklist. It doesn't come with the name.
Oh.
So let me see. Let me see that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you close this one up, it looks like the apple.
And
It looks like an apple. Then you open it, and look,
yeah.
a bug.
Yeah. If you can get a
What is it, like a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh my god, sorry.
Dude, you broke it.
No, it opens. Give me out to it. Put it back.
How do we do this?
Okay, so this is the first one.
Look what taco.
And this is the second one. You close it up, and it looks... Oh, it's a pizza.
Oh, I thought it was a taco.
It's a broccoli pizza, but then you open it up.
I thought it was a taco, like a taco.
Oh yeah, look.
It looks like a taco.
Look, you see?
Yeah, it looks like a taco. Like,
It's not a taco, it's a pizza.
it looks like a one. Oh, look. Wait.
Yeah, that's a pizza. That's Brockhead.
Rock bread. Oh. Okay. I want to do this guy. It looks like a fish.
Which one is the next one?
It's a fish. Fish. It looks like a fish. Fish.
So this is the second one.
How
I
you
mean the
put
third one.
How you put it together? How you put it together?
And this is a can. It looks like a can. Let me see if I put that. Okay, so yeah, it's a can.
Mommy, you have.
Yeah.
Mommy, you. The next one is the game. The Game Boy. It looks like a game. Too hard. Whoa. Okay.
So now he has like a game control.
Yeah, it looks like a game. Like
Very
puppy.
good.
Remember puppy have it like a game?
And then you open it, and this is the final look.
This one. There's a heart. Okay. It's a fish.
So this one is a fish. Let me see
It looks
how
like a
you
fish,
open
like a different.
it. This is what it transformed into. This looks like a hat. Okay, what else?
Okay. Next one is a
So this one is Ollie Bites.
holy bite. This one is the
Then you have auto control.
This one is the like
This is a Brockhead.
blocker.
Then you
Bell
have
Oh, fish can. The fish can. I can check over.
this is Big Can Tuna.
This one is the
This
water.
is Sour Wing. This one is
Water. It looks
Bottle
like
Correct.
really good.
So this is how it looks. Okay, what's the other one?
Oh no.
So the other one is Nope Soap. So it's supposed to be a soap.
The guy, the guy.
So this is the soap. You just push them in.
Wait.
Here you go.
A broken.
Soap.
A broken.
Yeah, you could put them back together. So open out this one.
Okay.
So So to see which one you get. I think you're gonna have
Maybe I have like another like
what is that? A green one.
that right now. Oh look. Okay. I can't sit it right. And they go black. No one will build me. Help. No one will build me. Oh, what's this?
So that one is
Dragonfly?
rubber plant right there.
Wait, how'd you build me? Hey, who are you? Oh, no. Let me check
So you open it. Let's see, how do you build this one?
me in my arm. Turn forward.
So this one opens up like this. Okay, so now Jaden's gonna open the second one.
Okay, wait.
You just take it
No
out.
one to build my this.
When you finish, I'll help you put it back.
Wow.
You just take the checklist.
Okay, wait. You're not building? Okay, the next one is. I know.
Okay, so they all basically have like their own checklists and tells you how to make them or to transform them.
Okay.
And it tells you the name. So which one you gonna do first? The blue one?
It's a
So
A.
that one is touchdown. Tough down. Tough.
It looks like a ball, like a
Yeah, it's like a
soccer ball.
no a football ball.
It
So
looks
that's
like
how it
me.
opens. Okay, now the next one.
Okay. The next one is like. Whoa. This one is like this guy. Wait, that one, my
see?
man.
So this one is
Who are you?
Grumpy Clumpy.
Why you have a gun?
So this one looks like a milk, right?
Yeah. You have a gun?
So you could close them up.
I have a gun.
And this.
Okay.
This is how
Let me
it
take your
goes.
hand. No. You can't
Then
take
you open him
my
up.
You got two.
The legs down. Show the
Oh, my
face.
Sorry. No.
There you go. Next one.
This one is
So the next one is Spot the Rock.
the guy.
So this is Spot the Rock.
Fuck the rock. You can't
You
shoot
could
your
close
rock.
him down. Usually
Go
comes
back.
like this.
No, help me. Yes, I can.
But then you put him down.
Okay. Okay.
See, it looks like a rock.
Yep.
Next one.
A team.
The next one is Atomic Freeze.
Juice.
So this one you
Look,
open
drink
up.
It looks like me.
Yeah, it looks like a drink, right?
Yeah, it looks like me, like a juice.
It looks like you.
Yeah.
How?
Cause it looks like a me, like a
So
green one.
you
Like,
put this down. Whoa. Sorry.
What you do?
Nothing.
This guy.
Let me see. Oh no, this one is B.O. This is B.O. So you put this like this. And then you bring down the legs. And there you go. Next one.
Whoa.
Next one.
Okay. Looks like a donkey. Next one is like.
Okay, so the next one it is not your problem.
Oh look, at my look. What's
Yeah.
it called? Big.
Not your problem. So you close it like this.
Oh look.
What
Why
is
you
it?
put your gun down?
How you close the feet? Like that. Like that. There you go. Okay, and the last one
Okay.
is Short Edge.
So egg. Or
Okay, so this one kind of looks like somebody from Transformers. Like who?
bumblebee.
Like Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Okay, so you close him up.
Hey, leave me my friend.
Let me see how you close him up.
Remember? Oh, oh, oh. To my bathroom. Ah.
So, oh, this is
Go away.
short edge, and it looks like a roller.
Hello.
So, yeah, this is my favorite one.
Take this. Ah, my
So this is my favorite one, and this one is all TikTok. So he's like a watch. So I like this one. This is like a watch. You put this down. And there you go.
What?
Look at this one,
Come
Jaden.
on.
Jaden, this one looks like a watch.
Yeah, I broke it, him.
They don't break. You could put them. Break. Look.
What the?
You know.
It looks like a watch.
Does it fit?
It looks like a watch.
No, it doesn't fit. Does it fit you?
Let's see. No.
No, it
It
doesn't.
looks like a watch. Wait, here?
Okay, so those are the ones that Jaden got. They all different.
Wait, it looks like a
So
biter.
there are a lot to collect.
I'm a watch.
Yeah. So which one is your favorite one from today?
This guy and this guy.
You like the pizza and you see the other one? What is it? The milk?
Yeah.
Oh no, the
And the game room.
water.
The game look.
Okay, my favorite one was the watch because this one looks like a real watch.
How we fit?
And the milk.
Look, you can piece
This
them together.
Comment down below which one was your favorite one. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, give this video a big thumbs up.
How we fit
Make sure
it?
to comment down below which one was your favorite one. And like always, thanks for watching.
Bye. Let's go build them like together, like